Hello YouTube, just got this in the mail today. Large throttle body, still in the box, brand new, never been used by anyone. Hoses. Oh, check that out. Still sealed. Nobody used it yet. It's like a little time capsule from the mid-70s. Here's the actual throttle body. And clamps. Some nice documentation. Important notice. And yes, the directions. The all important directions. Now I own a 280ZX, so this will be going on my 280. But look at this. It's all here. It's pretty dang amazing. It's been sitting in the box from the 70s and not even put on any car. A Weber large throttle body. And the story behind this is my throttle body was not working properly, and I was searching through eBay and came across this, and a lot of people say they're pointless upgrades, but hey, it's a brand new part, so it's gonna work. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Look to my channel for some more 280ZX videos in the future. Bye.